my hair, but nothing too drastic so it can fade back into the brown. That it's been for a while because that's the closest to my natural hair color so it can grow out, and that's what I'm going for because my hair has been so healthy and awesome lately, and I really want to keep that, and I'm just content with the color mostly. I just want to add a little sass and pizzazz. And then Arctic Fox came out with a new dye, and I was a big fan of it. I thought it would blend really nicely with the brown that I already have in my hair instead of like bleaching it and then doing the color that way. And I am super happy with the results. This is the color. There we go, focus. And take a peep at these gorgeous nails. I am really happy with it. Like I already said, this is their new color. It is Ritual. It's like an auburnish red with like, it's kind of purpley too. There's a lot going on. I don't know. Yeah, but this is the color. This is what it looks like on my hair. I feel like this lighting, it's kind of hard to tell. And it's not a super drastic change from the color that I had, but it is enough of one. Like if I do like a comparison side-by-side picture, it's a lot easier to tell. So I'll insert that here so you can see, because it's like 3 in the morning. And the color really pops more in natural sunlight, so yeah. I love this brand. I'm always happy with it. It is by far my favorite for like bright colors. Like this is definitely the most like natural, closest to natural color, which this is not, but like I said, the closest that I've ever used from them, because I've used like their green, pink, and blue. I don't know if there's any other colors that I've used from them, but this is one of them too. And I've been happy with all of those, so big thumbs up for that. This is the first time I've ever had hair this color, and I'm really digging it. I think it works for me. So tell me in a comment below what you guys think, if you like this color or not. Also enjoy the footage of me dyeing my hair this color and me getting my hair caught in the blow dryer. Okay, was that thunder? I don't even know what that was, but something's going on outside. I hope the footage of me getting my hair caught in the blow dryer, you can tell on film, because I had to cut out like a little chunk in the back when I was blow drying. But this is the end result. I'm happy with it. My hair is kind of a mess right now, so excuse that, but here we go, color-wise. So if you have darker hair like I do, this is what the color, this dye looks like on top of that, if you were wondering. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this new hair color. Make sure you tell me in a comment below if you like it also. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All will be right here and also linked below for you to directly click on. Mwah! I had like the craziest thing happen this morning. It's the first time it's ever happened to me. I woke up and my leg was like completely asleep because I had it like bent this way. I like hike my leg up really high, like to my chest sometimes when I sleep. So it was super asleep. And when I woke up, I couldn't move it at all. I had to like actually move it. It was wild. And I felt like sharing that with you guys.